Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. Okay, my dear students, today in this video we are going to deal about one of the writing skill. Okay, one of the writing skill, and that is for the students of class 8. You can see right over there, and this is very essential. And it is not only for the students of class 8 but also other students also. It is very essential and it is very good habit, you can see. Diary entry we are going to see. Diary entry. My dear students, when you come to this concept, diary entry, what is coming in your mind? It is coming in your mind that we have seen the diaries in which there are dates are given and everything is mentioned there in the diary. Okay, and you might have been come across, or you might have seen the school of your diary. Okay, school का ये जो daily diary होता है वो भी एक होता है diary जहाँ पे हम हर रोज का होमवर्क रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. तो ये जो डायरी एंट्री होता है या फिर ये जो डायरी होता है वो क्या होता है? ये एक रिकॉर्ड होता है. दैट इज वन ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड दैट वी पर्सनली कीप to remember those records later on in our life. Okay, and that is what we ourselves are writing the diary. Okay, and this is very personal. Okay, personal form of writing it is. Let us see here some of the definition is given about the diary entry and what it is actually. We'll understand in the text what is the meaning, and we'll later on see the value points, and then we'll see how it is written and what are the things we have to remember whenever we are writing the diary entry, or whenever we are keeping the record of any of the events that we eyewitness or that we have seen in our life. Okay, and any interesting thing, any interesting event that is taking place in our life, we can keep the record in our diary. Okay, let us see here. Diary writing is a very personal form. Okay, it is a very personal form of writing. Okay, diary entry is a very personal form of writing. That means it says that this diary entry or diary writing is very personal. It is personal. Means I have my diary and I have to maintain the diary. I have to write myself. Nobody is going to write anything in my diary. And whatever I feel, okay, whatever I feel, whatever I think, okay, whatever thoughts are coming in my mind, and if you want to express those thoughts, then that my thought only I have to write in my diary. Okay, or anybody is going to write whatever I am thinking in my diary. Can anybody write for me? No. What I think, that only I can write and I can feel it. So that is what very personal, that one person has to write, whoever is maintaining the diary. Okay, so that way it is very personal writing. It is a record with discrete entries. Okay, and it is a record. It is nothing, but it is a record. A diary entry is a record that we are keeping on the basis of dates, on the basis of day, and on the basis of timing also. Whatever events that is taking place and whatever events that we are coming across in our life, we are mentioning that events, and वही events का record हम हमारे डायरी में रख रहे हैं. तो हम जब भी कोई भी events देखेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? पहले हमको देखेंगे कि वो events कब हुआ, वो घटना कब हुआ, टाइमिंग क्या था, दिन कौन सा था, और डेट कौन सी थी, वो सारी चीज हमको मेंशन करना है. और वो सारी चीज का रिकॉर्ड ही हमारा यहाँ पे क्या बोला जाएगा है? Discrete entries, or discrete entries of the records. And that is what discrete entries are arranged by days reporting. Dates are given, and everything is given there. What has happened over the course of day? Okay, what has happened over the course of day, or what happened on that particular day, and with at what time? It was morning 6 o'clock, or it was evening 6 o'clock. Everything we can mention there in the diary. And it is very personal diary. Okay, or any other periods, okay, or any other times, not in the day but also maybe to yesterday whatever happened, or in front of me an accident took place, or like that, whatever experience. Or for example, you can say that on the birthday celebration or birthday party, there are lots of members were there, lots of friends came, and so many people came there, and so many people gave me the gifts. बहुत सारे लोग वहाँ पे आए थे मेरे बर्थडे पार्टी में, और सबके सब मुझे क्या दिए? बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स दिए, बहुत सारे अच्छे चीजें दिए. तो उस दिन व्हाट विल बी योर फीलिंग्स? उसी दिन आपका फीलिंग्स क्या होगा? बहुत खुशी होगी, बहुत एक्साइटिंग फीलिंग हुआ होगा. तो उसके बारे में आपको अगर डायरी में एंट्री लिखना है, you want to write a record on that day how you were feeling. Okay, when other people came and gave the gifts to you. Then you have to mention that one also, on which day it was there, and what time your birthday party was kept, and what is the place in the birthday party was kept. कौन सा जगह में, कौन सा होटल में, या फिर कौन सा जगह में वो हुआ था, वही सारे रिकॉर्ड आपको रखना है, और कौन सा दिन है और कब, कितने बजे, वो भी आपको मेंशन करना है. And you can write your feelings on particular day. Okay, so that is what it is, your personal feelings, personal thinkings, and personal ideas that we are going to enter in the diary, or that we are going to write in our personal diary. Okay, let us see some of the value points that we have to remember whenever we are writing a diary entry. Okay, whenever we are we want to keep the record of any event, then we have to keep in mind some of the things that there. Now, point 1, you can see first point. What is that? First point is write day, date, time of the events. These are the things. Day we have to write the events, whatever events taking place. कब है, डे लिखना है. ओके, उसके बाद डेट लिखना है. Then we have to write the date also, at which date. Then timing also. Timing also, if possible. Okay, timing in every contest का timing is not possible. Okay, timing हर एक contest में या फिर हर एक घटना में timing possible नहीं है. पर अगर हमको यहाँ पे टाइमिंग का पॉसिबिलिटी है, हमको पता है कि एग्जैक्ट टाइम कौन सा था जब ये घटना हुआ, या फिर ये फीलिंग्स कब आया था एग्जैक्टली, जैसे कि मेरा फीलिंग्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस कौन सा टाइम में आया था एग्जैक्टली, अगर हमको पता है तो अब हम मेंशन कर सकते हैं. ओके, बट लाइक नाउ रोड एक्सीडेंट, द टाइमिंग वी कैन राइट देयर. ओके, मेंशन एंड समवेयर you saw some interesting event is taking place, the timing also you can mention there. But some of the cases you are not able to mention the timing also. Then next point, what it says, write a diary where something interesting is takes place. Okay, we have to write the diary. We have to write the diary when something interesting. Okay, something interesting takes place. Okay, otherwise not like that. Okay, I have to keep the record in my diary. Okay, I have to complete the diary, writing everything, whole year, whatever happens in my life. It is not like that. Everything day after day you will keep the record, but you have to keep the record of some interesting things. Okay, which are very nice things, and which are some of the events that you liked most. Okay, interesting, बहुत interesting, मजेदार घटनाओं के बारे में आपको डायरी एंट्री करना है, लिखना है. हर रोज ऐसे कुछ भी चीजों के बारे में लिखकर रखना नहीं. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स के बारे में आपको लिखना है, वही यहाँ पे बोलता है, some interesting things. Okay, whatever interesting things we have come across, that only we have to write in our diary, not everything. Then next point number 3, you can see, you can use your diary to express your thoughts. Okay, now in our diary we can use our diary to express our thoughts, what we are thinking about some particular topic, what we are thinking about some particular events, what we think about some particular things. Okay, so that we have to mention here in our diary, we can write. Okay, that's personal. Then what is our feelings? Our feelings also we can mention, the personal feelings. Then again desire, what is our desire? That also we can mention in our diary. And again fear, joys, and other expressions we can keep the record in our diary. हम ये सारी चीजें, ये सारे expressions के बारे में भी हम अपना डायरी में लिख सकते हैं. Okay, then next point, language need not be very formal. Okay, the language which we are going to use in the diary entry and in which we are going to write, the language has to be simple language, not the formal language. Okay, simple language it has to be written in. Okay, जैसे कि हम जैसे बात करते हैं गांव में, जो कि हम बोलते हैं कि local language, all these things will it has to be written. Okay, उसी प्रकार का local language में लिखा हुआ ना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत हाई वर्ड्स मुझे लिखना है, बहुत बड़े वर्ड्स ये वहाँ पे इंक्लूड करना है. ओके, बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स वहाँ पे लेकर लिखना है, वैसे नहीं है, कंपल्सरी नहीं है. यू हैव टू यूज द सिंपल लैंग्वेज, वेरी इजी लैंग्वेज व्हेनेवर यू आर कीपिंग द रिकॉर्ड इन योर diary, it says. Okay, and that has to be, what is that, simple language you have to use. Okay, simple language you have to use in order to express our thought. Okay, हमारे thought को express करने के लिए आपको कौन सा लैंग्वेज इस्तेमाल करना है? सिंपल लैंग्वेज से हमको हमारा डायरी एंट्री करना है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट इज दैट, द फिफ्थ वन, बी ट्रूथफुल एंड ऑनेस्ट. ओके, बी ट्रूथफुल एंड ऑनेस्ट टू योर डायरी. नाउ we show that this diary entry is personal and very personal. Nobody is going to tell you anything about this diary. Whatever you want to write and what is your feelings and what is your thinking, that you can keep the record. Okay, nobody will tell why you wrote like that. Why did you write this way? Nobody is going to question on that, your personal diary. So when you are writing about the personal records, you should be truthful. हमको क्या होना चाहिए? ट्रूथफुल होना चाहिए. मतलब जो भी हम डायरी में लिखेंगे वो सच होना चाहिए. सिंपली ऐसे वैसे लिखकर वहां पे डायरी को फिल करना नहीं है, पर सच्ची घटना के बारे में लिखना है, सच्चे डेट के बारे में लिखना है, सच्चा इवेंट्स के बारे में लिखना है और सब कुछ ट्रू होना चाहिए. देन ऑनेस्ट, we must be honest there. We must be honest there and we must be simple there in expressing our feelings. Okay, for example, if I feel this kind of feelings, अगर मैं बोलूंगा कि मुझे बुरा लगा वो इवेंट, ओके, तो दूसरे लोग जब पढ़ेंगे तो उनको क्या लगेगा, इस प्रकार का सोचना नहीं. आपको ऑनेस्ट, मुझे बुरा लगा मतलब मैं बुरा ही लिखने वाला हूँ, मुझे अच्छा लगा मतलब मुझे अच्छा ही लिखने वाला हूँ. कहाँ पे? अपना पर्सनल डायरी. सो दैट हैज टू बी देयर. ओके, दूसरे क्या सोचेंगे अगर मैं इसे लिखा, दूसरे लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अरे बाप रे आपका डायरी को कोई भी पढ़ने वाला नहीं है, तो आप क्या भी जो भी लिखोगे वो उनको कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. पर आपको पूरा ट्रूथफुल होना चाहिए, आपको सच्चे इवेंट्स के बारे में लिखना है, सच्ची घटनाओं के बारे में लिखना है. सो लेट अस सी हियर, दिस इज आवर पेज. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज आवर पेज ऑफ आवर नोटबुक्स and here is a margin, it is given there both way. Okay, and let us see what are the things. First point we have to keep in here, nothing to worry about, nothing to keep in mind. Okay, मतलब ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, डायरी एंट्री सिंपल है and very easy, but only one or two steps you have to remember. Then we can see here the first point what we saw, the write the date time of the events. Okay, कोई भी घटना के बारे में टाइम लिखना है, डेट लिखना है और इवेंट को लिखना है वहां पे. ओके, वायरल इवेंट के बारे में लिखना है आपको. पहले मान लो अभी हमको स्टार्ट करना है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट करना है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल हियर वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर व्हाट इज दैट? सैटरडे. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट द डे सैटरडे. दिस इज अ सैटरडे ऑन दिस वन इवेंट टुक प्लेस. ओके, ये घटना हुआ कल सैटरडे को. उसके बाद हम क्या लिखेंगे? Sorry. Okay, or example for Saturday, what is that? Saturday we can write here the date we have to put here. For example, let us see which date we'll put. Let us see 19. Okay, 19 July 2020. Okay, so let us see Saturday 19 July 2020. We put the date, one of the date here. Okay, then what is that? According to our point, value point we are going to write. Okay, first of all, what is that? Day has to be there. Then date has to be there. Then time. If you know the particular event's time, or exactly at what time it took place. For example, let us say in the morning, 9:30 a.m. Okay, we have taken for consideration. So this must be wrote that in our diary already. Then we can start writing the events, what happened actually. For example, on Saturday, on Saturday 19 July at this time, what happened? There was an accident. Okay, there was an accident that two vehicles came across and they brushed each other, and in which 3 people died. 2 members of the 2 people died. And when I saw the people who were victim to this accident, okay, those were victim of this accident and they were severely injured, what was my feeling? I can say I was so totally afraid of that and I was not happy. I was feeling sad there. That whatever expression we can write. Okay, like that we can start this one. Like another example, let us, for example, now your birthday party is there and you celebrated recently your birthday party, your 19th birthday party, and everybody came and gifted you so many gifts and gave you, and there was a grand celebration of your birthday. Then you can write on this particular date only we can take, we are taking that for consideration. Okay, you can say I was so happy. You can start writing in paragraph. Okay, you have to write this paragraph. I am so happy. Okay, I am so happy. Dash. You can write that all the everybody came to my birthday party and gifted me so many gifts, and dash we can write here and keep the record of it. Okay, and finally, if possible, we can give our signature also. Here we can sign right here. Okay, for example, this is what I signed because I have written this diary, and there we can sign here. Okay, I can sign there my names, and it is sign is also not compulsory. Okay, it is not compulsory to sign there. Only just keep the dates, day and the time if possible, any events. Then you can write I was so happy, dash happened all these days. And here also another important thing is that if you want to write the name of the events here, okay, अगर आपको वो events को mention करना है, वो भी आप mention कर सकते हैं. कहाँ पे? ये डेट लिखने के पहले यहाँ पे आप वो टॉपिक के कौन से बारे में या फिर कौन सी घटना के बारे में आप लिखने वाले हैं, वो भी आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. But it is not compulsory because it is your personal diary and you know what you have written and what about you have written in your diary, that everything you know. So it is not so compulsory, this topic and this signature also. So my dear student, here we learn in this lesson, in this video, that how to write a diary or what is the diary entry, and we have here already understood this one. Okay. So we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you for watching.